Hi everyone, welcome to Dharma Earth's Dose of Dharma, and this is your dose for Dharma for today. So, today there's one question about easily contented, Santati. So, it says, when they being easily contented seems like, just being very easy with life and sometimes it seems very demotivating and expecting very little from myself and others. And am I understanding this correctly? Well, actually, being easily contented, it means being easily happy with whatever things that we have, no matter how little or no matter how of inferior quality they are. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you are contented with just a pass in your exams, and not like that. Basically, being easily contented means, like what we say, being happy with whatever things that we have. But in terms of spiritual qualities, and in terms of wholesomeness, and in terms of habit of pure happiness that comes from the practicing of the Dhamma and other wholesome qualities and wholesome acts, then we can be happy, but we should continue to have the desire, the pure desire, not with attachment, the pure desire to try to do more. And if we apply that theory, that principle for a lay person, it means that, okay, I'm happy with, I may be happy with 50 marks, but I'm gonna strive for more. I'm gonna strive for more because I want to bring out the best in myself, in order to be helpful to myself, my family, and the society, or even the world, if your if your mind is broad enough and caring enough for the whole world, So, being easily contented doesn't mean that you just slack on your results, on your studies, on your work. It's not like that. But basically, if you want to live out easily contented with a balance, so it basically just means that, okay, I'm happy with this. This is the result that I get this time, but I'm gonna go for more. But I'm gonna try to challenge myself. I'm gonna look up on other ways to make myself even better for the benefit of myself and for others, like that. So if we can do it like this, then we can cultivate the quality and get the benefit of the quality of being easily contented. And in the same time, we know what we want and what we need to do in the world, which is for Buddhist monastics is to practice or to study for the benefit of ourselves and for the preservation of the sasana, and for the benefit of others. Whereas for lay people, for the lay Buddhists, so they can be easily contented, but they can also strive for better results, to strive to achieve more in your work. But when we talk about these kinds of achievements and results, I would recommend that we try our best. If we don't get the results that we want after trying, no problem. Just continue to work out what are the problems, what is it that you are not doing right, and then try again, like that. And keep trying and trying until you get over that obstacle. So, why is this so? Because sometimes we may have strong attachment to results, and that is why when we do not get the results that we want, we tend to get disappointed, we tend to get sad, some people even get depressed, but actually it's not necessary to be like that. We just try to challenge ourselves to perform better, to be better for the benefit of ourselves, our families, and others. Then we just do our best, like that. So for good things, for righteous things, for spiritual qualities, as long as we have not achieved ultimate happiness, then these are the things that we have to continue to work on. But as for ourselves, as for ourselves, whether it is the food that we eat, the clothes that we wear, the place that we stay in, the medicine that we take, and all other material things. If we can practice easily contentment, then being easily contented, then it will be a very happy life for us because we are easily happy. And also, with respect to what you expect of others, sometimes if we know how to regulate our expectations of others, then if it is the best if we can regulate our expectations according to Dhamma, which is, some people, they may be Buddhist, but they may do something bad, they may say something bad. Well, it's actually pretty normal. Many people have unrealistic expectations that, a Buddhist should do this, a Buddhist should not do this. Of course, when you live in a perfect world, then of course they would not do that. Of course they would do this. But practically in samsara, it's difficult. It's difficult. So we cannot say for sure. But of course we have a set of moral values and moral behaviors that one should try to work towards with. And that's what everyone should try to work towards with. But if some people cannot do it, then we also don't have that unrealistic expectations that everyone that is Buddhist will do it, can do it, right? But hopefully they are trying to do it. Okay. Then if you can do that, then you can manage your expectations to a more realistic and pragmatic approach. And that is in accordance with Dharma. Like that. So, yeah, I hope this answers the question and how one can develop this easily contented in their daily life. And hopefully, everyone will be able to develop this quality and continue to practice samatha vipassana meditation. So with this, I wish all of you to be well, peaceful and happy, and may the Triple Gem bless all of us to be able to attain path, fruition and nibbana as soon as possible. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.